Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be installing this wig from my hairline called Omahairlondon. So this is our Kemeju wig. It's a kinky curly unit. Obviously I'm gonna have kinky curly because this is my favorite texture of hair. I'm just gonna do like a detailed installation video because a couple of people have actually asked me to do that. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. The glue that I use is Glow Spon Glue XL Extra Moisture Control. I just got this from Amazon. That's where I get most of my glues from and everything from, basically. I usually apply my wigs without without makeup on, but obviously for this video to get dressed up. But yeah, I use rubbing alcohol to go along my hairline where I'm going to glue. Don't be alarmed. Obviously it's makeup, so I might look a little bit crazy after this, but yeah, just try and get it as clean as possible around the hairline because you don't want makeup to get into your lace and for it to look all mucky, because I really hate that look. And yeah, so we're just trying to clear it. So first off, some people use the stocking cap method. I've tried that. Sometimes I'm in a mood to do it, but most of the time I just do it like this and just try and avoid my baby hairs. I try and do thin layers, but it's very hard to, did I just spit? Ew. I try and do thin layers, so I'm starting off with this and like kind of spreading it. I start off in sections as well, so I'll do the full head and then I'll do the sides after. It dries clear pretty fast. You can see that side is like pretty much cleared. So then I would go over and do a second layer. Sometimes I do 3 layers. It depends on the day, but yeah, we'll see what I'm feeling to do. I'm gonna stick with 2 layers. So I'm gonna bring it down. Can I really just piss off right now? Can I actually piss off? It's not funny. They decided to do this bullshit when I'm doing my video. Like, what the hell? Shush. Chaka's laughing at me. She knows I'm raging inside. I'm gonna get my blow dryer. I'm gonna get my blow dryer and blow dry. This person really wants a slap from me. Really wants a slap.
Who the hell is that? Trying to record a damn video. Shut up!
Place this bit down and I'm gonna blow dry it in place. Then move on to this side. So basically I repeat the same thing on each side 3 times or maybe 2 times, 2 layers, and I try and spread it really thin, and then I blow dry it in place. Make sure to get the ear flaps too. I'll like hold that in place, try and get like a bit of hair, and then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and blow dry that in place. And if there's little bits that are like around the edges that need to be glued down, I'll do that after, but the main parts will be glued down. So now we're gonna do the other side. But we need to, I think I'm just gonna speed it up. You guys kind of get the gist of what I'm doing now. So blow dried everything into place, and now I'm going to lay the baby hairs. Lay my baby hairs is the Eco Styler gel, just any Eco Styler gel to be honest. Just use a toothbrush bring it forward and brush some back just to tidy it up, because obviously I've obviously worn this wig before, so it's not gonna be like a new application looking all nice and tidy, but we're gonna sort it out. I find that Eco Styler gel kind of like holds it in place. It actually does. I kind of like stick it back. The same goes for around here too, just to make it look neater. Slick it back. I don't know, maybe I should do a wet look, because this looks kind of cute though, the little waves that it's creating. We're gonna get a headscarf and lay this down now so it can look all corrupt and set in place. So give me a second. Use like a satin headscarf, and I don't really lay it down for that long. I just probably like 5 minutes tops. And we are back. So I'm gonna take it off. I think it's been around 5 minutes, and ooh. These edges. See how the Eco Styler gel really holds it in place. It's like almost like a hot comb effect. Let me just fluff up my hair. Frontal is 13 by 6, so it goes all the way down to here if you want to part it. I hope you guys enjoyed my installation video. Hopefully it's good enough for you guys, and I need to come back and do more videos. Maybe I'm gonna do like a twist out or braid out on this kinky curly hair. Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video, and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on what other videos you want me to do, and yeah, just interact guys and talk to you more. And I'm trying to get back into making videos, and I will be coming back on here to showcase the different wigs that we have on Omahair, on the Omahair website. So if you want to check our website out, it's affordable luxury wigs. So, and we also have Klarna as well, so you can pay in installments, like 3 installments. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.